Good day, everyone. We will be presenting a research proposal in partial fulfillment of the course Research 602 entitled Service Quality and Customer Satisfaction at the Negros Oriental State University Library. And the researchers are Ms. Rollete V. Catalan, the campus librarian of Negros Oriental State University BAIS Campuses 1 and 2. Miss Elisha May J. Manalo, an FPA librarian of Foundation University. Miss Jordan Grace M. Salva, a campus librarian of Negros Oriental State University Bio 1 and Santa Catalina campuses. Academic libraries are an integral part of universities and have a critical role to play in supporting the core mission of the university, that is teaching, learning, and research. To adapt to the new competitive scenario, the study quantifies user satisfaction with academic library performance by determining the client's satisfaction with library services, infrastructure or place or space, and collection or information provided by an academic library. Satisfying users' needs in academic libraries have been the primary objective of libraries and librarians. Every year, new students come to the university with different needs and expectations. Besides, new technology, databases, and more innovative systems for accessing information have made the library more complicated and challenging for librarians and users alike. The abundance of resources available and the difficulty in being able to determine these resources also create problems for users. The inability to easily identify the specific use of a library's services because of the new technologies and the difficulty to access information sources can all contribute to user dissatisfaction among academic library users. Therefore, the objectives of this study are to assess the overall service quality and customer satisfaction at the North Library from the customer's perspective, to assess the service quality from the viewpoint of each customer's group, faculty, postgraduate, graduate, and undergraduate students, to distinguish the dimensions that determine the customer's evaluation of service quality in the North Library system, to examine which are the essential attributes that library managers assess to allocate the resource for good service quality, to identify the problems customers encountered when involved in library service, to identify the extent to which libraries meet the customer's expectations on the library service quality dimensions, and to discuss the relationships between service quality and customer satisfaction. Statement of the problem. This study aimed to determine the service quality and customer satisfaction, collections, and management at the Negros Oriental State University Library for the second semester academic year 2020 to 2021. Specifically, the study sought to answer the following questions. First, what is the service quality of the Negros Oriental State University Library with regards to A. Effect of service or AS. B. Information control or IC. C. Library as place or LP. Second, what is the general customer satisfaction at the Negros Oriental State University Library? Third, is there a significant relationship between the general customer satisfaction and the library service quality with respect to the three dimensions? A. Effect of service or AS. B. Information control or IC. C. Library as place. Fourth, what are the problems encountered by the customers? Significance of the study. This service quality and customer satisfaction study is very beneficial in the Negros Oriental State University Library benefactor, administrators, library customers, library personnel, and researchers. This study would also be helpful to libraries to improve library services. Benefactor. It refers to the donor of the Negros Oriental State University Library, or NORSOL. They need to know if the library's customers are satisfied with the services offered and what areas in the customer service have to be improved and or continued. This may encourage them to further and to continue supporting the library. Administrators. It refers to the president of the university being studied and other administration officials. This group of individuals will benefit from the study since the results of the same will be used as the basis to improve service quality and customer satisfaction. Library customers or library users. It refers to the NORSO faculty members, NORSO students, postgraduate, graduate, and undergraduate levels being studied. This group is the main beneficiary of the study, for the results of the study will be an eye-opener to the benefactor and the administration concerning the improvement of service quality and customer satisfaction. Library personnel. It refers to the workforce of the Norso Library. The outcome of this study will help improve the service performance of the staff to the customers. Researchers' study will benefit future researchers, for it is good springboard in the choice of future topics for research, and it is an important source of related studies and theories for those who may undertake in-depth studies of service quality and customer satisfaction for libraries. Scope and limitation of the study. The scope of the study is to determine service quality and customer satisfaction at the Negros Oriental State University Library. The researchers encountered some challenges during the gathering of data. Respondent limitation. The respondents of this study are the students and faculty of NORSO. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the researchers have to use online platforms such as Facebook Messenger and Gmail to reach out the respondents. Time limitation. This study was conducted as the final requirement of Research 602 Section B research course. It should be accomplished in a 4-week time frame. Operational terms. The following terms are defined operationally according to their use in the study. First, customer satisfaction. It refers to what the customer expects and how to perceive the service provided, whether it has lived up to those expectations. In this particular study, this is the customer's perception of the degree to which the customer's expectations have to be fulfilled. Library service quality refers to staff attitudes, library environment, and services in the library. It focuses on the needs and expectations of the Norso Library customers with regards to the three dimensions. Effect of service, or AS, refers to the staff knowledge and ability to perform good service with its four aspects. Information control, or IC, refers to the comprehensive and free access to the collection and information at the time of need. Library as place, or LP, refers to the Norso Library as a place to meet customers' requirements for a serviceable space for individual and group study research and learning.